Hey, good morning, Bob Trade Genius. The 5th of December. Markets closed for the most part, but I just wanted to show you something here. Let me zoom to a big view. This is the Japanese yen, and it fired off a buy signal overnight. This was the downdraft on Tuesday for the market, and a lot of times the yen leads the market, and so we've had a crossover in relative strength, and we've also had a crossover momentum, and it's a higher low. So as dramatic as Tuesday was, you know, you have to put it in perspective of the larger channel here, and it's still in a range. And then if you go to RUT, let's this is the E-mini Russell, which I've been trading of late, and I put a fib line on it from the from this top here down, and it's tracking with the yen, but obviously the market closed at 6:30 Pacific time, and so my expectation, and don't be surprised if you see it if it gaps up on the open, and see if we come into some early strength on Thursday, and then we'll just have to see if it's going to hold. And so the ideal situation for the bear market would be for it to come up to around this 1510 area and then fail. And if it fails right here and just drops, then it's probably pretty scary. But if it punches through, then this was just a news event, and algo's taking advantage of a disruption in a normal market week because the options got pushed. The Wednesday expiring options got pushed up a day, and traders closing positions for a day off, and just became a risk off day. So it's hard to read into these things when you have a day off like this. So tomorrow will be a pretty interesting day, but my suspicion is that they're going to gap this thing up, and China's been out there singing the praises of this trade deal. So I don't know what's went on behind the scenes after Trump did his thing in the morning. Chinese came in after the market closed and were talking about how great this deal is. So there's must be more at stake here than meets the eye, and you get to see that maybe the yen is telling us that it's going to move higher. So anyway, just some things to think about. So if those who are thinking the collapse has begun, I wouldn't really be thinking about it too much until 2600 on the S&P gets taken out. And this move here was 1% deeper than the spine in NASDAQ, so this probably has further room to pop. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.